Hello friends, I am Arush and welcome to my channel Shiv Education, and today we are going to learn reptile names. I know that this video is going to be very helpful to you, so don't forget to watch it till the end. At the end, you will have to practice how many names you can remember. Let's start. Are you ready? If you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed yet, then please click on the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to get notifications for new videos. Like my video and share it with your friends and family. Frog, frog. Toad, toad. Newt, newt. Caecilian, caecilian. Skink, skink. Lizard, lizard. Chameleon, chameleon. Iguana, iguana. Monitor lizard, monitor lizard. Sea turtle, sea turtle. Tortoise, tortoise. Anaconda, anaconda. Python, python. Snake, snake. Marine iguana, marine iguana. Cayman, cayman. Komodo dragon, Komodo dragon. Crocodile, crocodile. Gila monster, Gila monster. Here are all the amphibians and reptiles we have learned in today's lesson. This time, try to remember all of the animals' names, rewatch the video to check how many you got correct, and then comment down below how many you got right. If you enjoyed this video, then do like it, subscribe my channel, hit the notification bell and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching and keep watching. Bye. See you in my next video.